The incredible effects of eating an avocado every day. Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you made avocados a daily staple? This unique fruit is packed with numerous nutritional benefits, and many studies highlight its profound impacts on both health and appearance. So what changes can you expect by eating one avocado each day? Are the results truly as remarkable as claimed? Stay tuned as we delve into these questions. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Fresh breath always. Did you know that the primary cause of bad breath is often related to indigestion and stomach issues? Incorporating avocados into your daily diet can help eliminate these problems. Avocados are rich in antibacterial and antioxidant flavonoids, which fight bacteria in your mouth, ensuring fresh breath. They are so effective that they may even help prevent oral cancer. Researchers at Ohio State University discovered that nutrients-enhanced avocados can combat and prevent the development of precancerous cells in the mouth. So ditch the breath mints and enjoy a tasty avocado instead. Enhanced kidney function. Avocados significantly contribute to enhanced kidney function due to their high potassium content. Potassium is essential for maintaining a proper fluid balance in the body, which is crucial for healthy kidney function. This mineral helps regulate electrolyte levels and supports the kidney's role in filtering waste from the bloodstream. By balancing fluids and electrolytes, potassium reduces the strain on kidneys, ensuring they operate efficiently. Moreover, avocados are rich in antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. This protection is vital for preventing chronic kidney disease and other kidney-related issues. However, individuals with hyperkalemia, high potassium levels, should avoid avocados as excessive potassium can be harmful. For those without this condition, incorporating avocados into a balanced diet can support overall kidney health, reduce the risk of kidney disease, and enhance the kidney's ability to filter toxins, thereby promoting overall well-being. Nutrient-rich. Avocados are incredibly nutrient-rich, offering a wide array of essential vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of vitamins K, C, E, and B complex vitamins, including B5, pantothenic acid, and B6, pyridoxine. Additionally, avocados are high in folate, which is crucial for cell function and tissue growth. They also provide a significant amount of potassium, more than bananas, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Beyond vitamins and minerals, avocados contain healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, contributing to overall health by supporting heart health, digestion, and weight management. This nutrient density makes avocados a powerful addition to any diet. Heart health. Avocados are beneficial for heart health due to their high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL levels, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. This balance lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, avocados are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, further protecting the heart. They also contain antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which prevent oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in cardiovascular disease. Including avocados in your diet can thus support a healthy heart by improving cholesterol levels, managing blood pressure, and reducing inflammation. Improved cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Including avocados in your diet can significantly improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels, promoting heart health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to lower low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries. Additionally, they help increase high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that removes excess cholesterol from your bloodstream. Studies have shown that consuming avocados regularly can reduce blood triglycerides by up to 20%, further decreasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. The fiber content in avocados also aids in cholesterol management by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. Overall, the combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants in avocados makes them a powerful food for maintaining balanced cholesterol and triglyceride levels, contributing to a healthier heart and improved overall wellness. Better liver function. Incorporating avocados into your diet can greatly enhance liver function. Avocados are rich in glutathione, a potent antioxidant essential for liver detoxification. This compound helps the liver filter out harmful substances and protects it from damage. Additionally, avocados contain vitamin C and E, which work together to neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on the liver. Furthermore, vitamin E teams up with vitamin K, also found in avocados, to minimize inflammation at the cellular level. This nutrient synergy supports overall liver health and function, making avocados a vital component of a liver-friendly diet. Regular consumption of avocados can thus contribute to a healthier, more efficient liver, promoting better detoxification and overall wellness. Lower blood pressure. Incorporating avocados into your diet can help lower blood pressure due to their high potassium content. Potassium is essential for maintaining a healthy fluid balance in the body, which directly impacts blood pressure regulation. By counteracting the effects of sodium, potassium helps relax blood vessel walls, reducing blood pressure. Studies have shown that diets rich in potassium can significantly lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Avocados also contain heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which further support cardiovascular health. Adding avocados to your meals can thus contribute to a balanced diet, promoting lower blood pressure and reducing the risk of hypertension-related health issues. Sharper vision. Eating avocados can enhance vision due to their high content of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants. These carotenoids are crucial for eye health, as they protect against harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Avocados also contain vitamin E, which helps prevent oxidative damage in the eyes, and vitamin C, which supports overall eye health. The healthy fats in avocados enhance the absorption of these fat-soluble antioxidants, maximizing their benefits. Regular consumption of avocados can thus provide essential nutrients that support and maintain sharp vision, making them a valuable addition to a diet focused on eye health. Extra cancer protection. Avocados provide extra cancer protection due to their rich content of antioxidants and healthy fats. They contain carotenoids and monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. These nutrients help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can contribute to cancer development. Additionally, avocados are high in phytochemicals that can induce apoptosis, cell death, in cancerous cells, preventing their growth and spread. Regular consumption of avocados thus offers a natural dietary means to enhance your body's defense against various forms of cancer. Weight loss aid. Avocados are an effective aid for weight loss due to their high fiber content and healthy fats. The fiber in avocados promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake by curbing hunger and preventing overeating. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats in avocados can boost metabolism and provide long-lasting energy. These healthy fats also help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes that can lead to increased appetite. Including avocados in your diet can thus support weight loss efforts by enhancing satiety, stabilizing blood sugar, and promoting a healthy, balanced metabolism. Radiant skin. Avocados are excellent for achieving radiant skin due to their rich nutritional profile. They are packed with vitamins C and E, both essential for skin health. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen production, which helps maintain skin's elasticity and firmness. This vitamin also aids in repairing damaged skin cells, promoting a youthful and glowing complexion. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from oxidative stress and environmental damage, such as UV rays and pollution. It also helps reduce inflammation and can alleviate skin conditions like eczema. Avocados are also high in healthy fats, particularly omega-9 fatty acids, which help maintain skin moisture and hydration. These fats support the skin barrier, preventing dryness and irritation. Additionally, the lutein and zeaxanthin in avocados protect against harmful blue light and contribute to overall skin health. Incorporating avocados into your diet or skincare routine can thus provide comprehensive benefits, leading to softer, more vibrant, and healthier skin. With all these incredible benefits, it's time to add avocados to your daily diet. What about you? Do you enjoy avocados? How often do you eat them? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.